Hey y'all, thanks so much for watching. Hey, if you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit like. Day 2. Hey guys, we are back and vacation is over. I got my coffee this morning and we are actually headed into Arkansas today. We will be working with 2 awesome contractors and going and telling you their stories. We would like to bring you guys along with us so you can hear these cool stories. But before we go, I need to talk to you and chat with you about a couple things. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the tour. There's some changes ahead. We're going to turn directions and be heading out west, looking totally forward about going out west. So we're going to still have a great time. And so that is one of the reasons to why we actually had to do this detour vacation to give everyone a chance to get ahead of us to change our directions due to the COVID situation. We will be still doing the tour. We're going to still be on the road. We're just going to be doing it in a little bit different way. Hey, the cool thing about this though is we're going to be able to do more one-on-ones with our customers and potentially new customers other than the events. We're going to still have some of the events that we will be attending, and we're going to have a wonderful time, guys. We're doing this and we're learning, and we're going to get so much good content from these customers and hear their stories, and I would love for you to hear them with me. All right, hey guys, we have just arrived here at Premier Roofing in Cabot, Arkansas. I'm going to be visiting with Keith. Let's go check him out and say hi to him.
I'm Keith Carruthers with Premier Roofing. I'm really glad that Ronnie called me today to go over a training session with me because I learned a lot. I learned that there's a better way of doing what I've already been doing, not knowing that there was a more professional way to do what I've been doing. And I love JobNimbus. I can't stress enough how much I love JobNimbus. It simplifies our life, it simplifies our business practice, and I have looked for another program out there that is better. There's not one that exists.
I just wanted to do a recap of our visit to Premier Roofing. Man, Keith Carruthers and his wife, they are just absolutely wonderful people, and their story was just amazing to be able to hear that this is like a second generation, third generation, and how he's going to be like training his son on how to do everything. He was using quite a bit of the JobNimbus, but however, there was a lot of things that he wasn't using, budgets, and he wasn't really using the reports, and so I think he walked away with several nuggets. Man, it was my pleasure. I want to give a shout out to Premier Roofing for allowing me to come in today. Man, thank you guys so much. One of the reasons why we ended up hitting the road like this and doing this tour is because it is a passion of mine to see contractors succeed in business, but not just to succeed in business, but I truly want to make contractors heroes to their customers. Okay guys, we have arrived here at N46 Roofing, and so we're going to go in and we're going to go introduce ourselves, and hopefully we're going to have a wonderful day with these guys, so let's go.
Hey guys, had a lot of fun with Ronnie and his wife today. Just a great time. They went into our JobNimbus, looked at it, helped us clean that up. Beyond valuable, so I do highly recommend doing it. You should do it. If you're thinking about it, just do it. So that's my advice over here at N46. Take care.
All right, so we're ready. We're getting ready to head downtown. hot springs, and we're gonna go get some good food. We already found the restaurant we want to go check out tonight. Then we're gonna go hang out downtown, right around hot springs for a little while. This is a really cool little part of town and a lot of history. We were just standing over here to where, hey, blowing their horn, I guess. And they have a place coming up here called Buckstaff Baths. Now, do you go take a bath there? Don't know. Might be fun. So some friends of ours told us about a place here in Hot Spring called Rod's Pizza. Now, supposedly they have this Godfather's pizza in here that is supposed to be like this amazing, really thick. And so Becky, this is for you. So Jill and I are here, and you recommended this place to us. So we are going to go into Rod's Pizza, and we're going to check this out and see how good it is. So let's go. Oh my God, guys, we just got this pizza coming to the table, and it looks amazing. Check this out.
Ow, that's hot. It's good, y'all. It's good.
It was absolutely phenomenal. If I had to put a number to it out of 5, I'm gonna give it a 10, because that pizza was freaking amazing, and all that cheese on top of it. I couldn't get through but 1.5 pieces, so it was huge.
You want my rating?
Yep.
Okay. I loved it as well. Out of 10, I would give it a 9, only because I thought the crust could have been a little more buttery or seasoned, like, because I like kind of buttery. Sorry, you don't know how to hold this thing. Let me give you this. The crust was just a tad plain. But I mean, like, if y'all remember Pizza Hut in the good old days when they were really good, their crust was the bomb. So this pizza was excellent. The crust could have been a tad better, but other than that, I would give it a 9.
Hey y'all, thanks so much for watching. Hey, do me a favor, hit like if you enjoyed this episode, and then subscribe and come watch this with us. Follow us on this journey as we're having so much fun. Goodbye, and we'll see you on the next one.